Hello everyone, myself Dr. Dharmendra Chourishi from SIRT MBA department. I'm, I'm here with a new topic called HRM, Human Resource Management. Before we start, just talk about few M's or five M's which are crucial for management. That is, first one is man, machine, material, method, and money. Among these five, I must say that M first number called man is most crucial part, crucial, important, and tricky resource to handle. As we know, if we have around 10,000 employees in our organization, then you have 10,000 different mindset, different psychology, different behavior you're going to deal with. So to manage that type of people, you need a special uh, a strategy, a special efficiency, a special type of study for that. mean your approach must be different because you are not going to play with machine or material. Here you are going to deal with mindset or behavior of people, and definitely all are different from each other. So it's a responsibility of HR manager, human resource manager, to control, to deal, to handle human as a resource in management. So first of all, definition. So human resource are the people an organization employs to carry out various jobs, tasks, and functions in exchange for wage, salaries, and other rewards. I mean, every organization need to have employees, so we hire for them, and in exchange we give money. So in for the money you can say it's a wage or salary or sometime in other format as well. So the comprehensive set of managerial skill and task concerned with developing and maintaining a qualified workforce, a human resource, so called, in a way to contribute to organizational effectiveness is all about human resource. Means you're going to hire people with a different skill set, with different qualification and efficiency. And being a HR manager, it's your responsibility, it's your duty to use them, to utilize their efficiency, quality for organizational effectiveness or functioning. So how beautifully you are using, how utilizing their skills, that is the work of HR personnel or human resource manager. So if you define HRM, human resource management is the process of recruiting. So in this answer, you will find the complete journey of a personnel. Like if someone is coming to joining a particular organization, so from recruitment to retirement, the whole responsibility of HRM, human resource manager, he takes care of him from day one to day last day. It means, so you can see here from recruitment. In recruitment, when a particular company go for some publication or advertisement for a particular job or position, right? So after that they will conduct some selection interviews, some presentations, some skill set testing. After that, organization conduct induction program or maybe orientation program for them. It's a company's policies. It should be actually to provide enough training about organization or particular environment where they are going to work. After that, they will have a appraisal, right? They have to go through some test or some performance appraisal system as well. In that, they will be tested, they will be evaluated whether they are working properly or not. If something is missing, they will be again given uh, training and development programs or some workshops, some types of assistance again. Apart from that, if HR finds that they are good, they are suitable enough for the job, then they will have a compensation, they will have a benefits, they will start getting money in form of salary, in terms of wage, or could be in another format. Time to time, it's also a role of a manager to provide some motivating uh, things as well, in form of money, or could be in other benefits, something like that. So providing motivating or some extra things to employees, this is also a part of a manager. So just boost their morale, so give them motivation to work for the organization. Later on, it's also a duty of manager to maintain a proper and good relation in organization. Relations could be interpersonal relation or relations with the trade union, employees and employers, peer to peer, or in any format. The working conditions, working atmosphere or in organization must be very good, must be healthy. And later on, the responsibility of HRM is also uh, going to deal with the safety and welfare issues of employees. So it's a responsibility of HR to take care of their families, their education, their hospitalization, and something like that. But whatever related to a human being, and the facility should be given to them, benefits should be given to them, and this is the role of HR manager to provide those benefits to normal employees, to labor, to top management. It's a responsibility of that. And later on, it is also duty of HR to provide to maintain law and order, judgment, or some judicial work as well. For example, if something is happening with this trade union, and they're having uh, case against organization, then it's also a role of manager. It is his duty to maintain peace and harmony. Finally, uh, this is a ladder, like what exactly HRM is stands for. So start with attraction. Attraction could be two ways. Always remember, attraction means sometimes we attract to a particular company, or sometimes a company attracts to towards you, right? So it always seen that, like for example, I need to work in Google, so I will always search for the Google ads and hirings, right, vacancies. In the same time, some big companies also looking for some professionals, or the best professionals. So on, it's like a two-way communication. On the basis of that, they will go for some tie-ups, working, something like that. Later on, selection procedure will be there. Like if you are going to contact with a particular company, they will have again, as I just mentioned, they will have a selection criteria. Could be written, could be oral, could be testing, something like that. After selection, you will have training. After that, assessment. And everything goes well, then you will have a reward system as well. So this is the all journey, basic points, or the basic duties of HRM, or basic functioning of HRM. Okay. So these are the things which we have to take care of when we are learning in HR, or when we have a responsibility of human resource department. So what is the importance of HR? human resource management in organization. You can say it's one of the most important part, most crucial part. As I was just mentioning about man, machine, material. So man is most crucial. So we are going to deal with man. So it's all about from my side. In the next lecture, we will learn more about HLM. Thank you. Take care. Thanks.